We're going to look at arithmetic division for Year 12 Specialist Mathematics. I want just to regress a little bit back to primary school, and you may have had questions like 61,072 divided by 5, and how would you have done that, or how would it have looked back then in primary school? Well, you did it by what we called long division, and depending on how you were taught, I was taught to go 5 into 6 goes 1, remainder 1, 5 into 11 goes 2, remainder 1, 5 into 10 goes exactly 2, 5 into 7 goes 1, remainder 2, 5 into 22 goes 4, remainder 2. And therefore our answer would be for this 12,214, and either remainder 2 or 2/5. And that was our answer. Now some of you may have been taught a bit more of a longer way, but a more clearer way, and that is 5 in the 6 goes once and it gives you 5. We then take it away, 6 take away 5 is 1. We then carry this 1 down next to it. 5 into 11. It's the same number as here, but it's a bit clearer. 5 into 11, well, it goes in twice, and that gives me 10. When I take those two away, I get a remainder of 1. I'll bring down the other 0 now here, so you can bring it down, and we get 10. Very much like here, 5 into 10 goes twice and makes 10, and when we take them away, there's no remainder. Bring the 7 down. 5 into 7 goes once, and that is 5. Take them away from each other, leaves me with 2. Carry the last 2 down. 5 into 22, well, it goes 4 times. And when we take them away, it leaves 2. And that's a longer way of doing it, but a clearer way. And I'm going to see how that links to example 12 from your SACE Hazy and Harris textbook. So let's do the same thing. X times what gives me x to the 4? Well, x times x cubed will give me x to the 4. When we do that expanding, we're going to get x times x cubed, which will give me x to the 4, but we'll also get 3 times x cubed, which will give me 3x cubed. Now let's just regress for a second and just talk a little bit about this. Firstly, here's the question. It's divide. Notice that we're missing any cubes, and we're missing just powers of x. So we have to put them in as zeros. We can't not include them. Alright? And secondly, we're going to get an answer that looks like this. I'm just going to write it the other way around. It's going to be x plus 3, which is multiplication distributive, times another equation, and there's going to be a remainder, just like the remainder over here. Alright, so let's look what it will be. So that's how it's going to look. And we can see that it's starting to get formed. This here will become my x cubed in here. Alright, let's keep going. What do we do with the primary school? We took them away. X to the 4 take x to the 4 is 0. 0 take away, you've got to be a little bit careful here, it's going to give me negative 3x cubed. Alright, so how do I get negative 3x cubed from just x? Well, that's going to be negative 3x squared. So that's going to be my next part that's going to go in here. When I do x times negative 3x squared, or do it here, we're going to get negative 3x cubed, but I also get 3 times it, which is going to give me minus 9x squared. Take them away as before. That take away that is 0. 2x squared, take away 9x squared, it's a double negative, so it's 11x squared. Alright, and then we can, if we want to, bring the 0 down, or we can just see it up there. It's up to you what you want to do. How are we going to get 11x squared? Well, 11x squared, to get that, it must be plus 11x. Think about it. If we have 11x there, x times 11x will give me 11x squared, but it will also give me 3 times 11x, which is 33x. We do take away again, 11x squared, take away 11x squared is 0. Nothing take away 33 is going to give you minus 33x. Alright, thought I'd be running out of room. Let's change the colour to see if this will help. We've got to get minus 33x. Well, we've got x at the moment, so that's going to be minus 33. So the last part in here and it will go in nicely, will be minus 33. And that's okay, that will go exactly, because x times minus 33 will give me minus 33x, but I get a byproduct of minus 99. We do the takeaway again, those two will cancel, give me 0, and minus 1 minus 99 is minus 1 plus 99, so it becomes plus 98. So the remainder is 98, and this will be plus 98. And there is a quick demonstration of how you do arithmetic division. I hope you found it useful.